Buongiorno paesani. So I'm posting and reposting. We are having a fantastic, fabulous event, another gala, a red carpet gala hosted by Giovanna Giordano, Matthew Giuffrida, Luciano Pipia for cancer and palliative care children, the Lighthouse, on October 25th. Held by Italiani di Montreal and Amici. It's gonna be a fantastic event because we have fantastic people supporting us, and we are gonna fill you up with food, entertainment, dancing, music, you name it, we're gonna have it. We have wonderful sponsors, amazing people supporting us, and of course, this can never be possible without you. Yes, you, right there. You watching this video. Please purchase your tickets, come support an event, come and have fun, make a table, buy your tickets. All proceeds are going to be going to the cancer and palliative care, the Lighthouse for children. It's a fantastic event. You're giving back to the community while having fun. You're going to have a fabulous time. Matthew Giuffrida's there. Luciano Pipia is going to entertain along with Giovanna Giordano. Giovanna Giordano is such a classy, wonderful lady. Matthew Giuffrida, you can't go wrong with him. He's gonna make you cramp with laughter. And Luciano Pipia, well, he's also a wonderful host. And absolutely, I will be there because I am part of the board of the Italiani di Montreal and Amici. Allora, procuratevi I biglietti. If you can make a table, it's even better. That means you're coming with a group of friends and you're gonna party all night. And you're gonna do it feeling good about yourself. Because why? Because you're giving back to the community, you're helping these children live a childhood and forget about their disease, forget about what they're going through on a daily basis. There's so much to say. But guys, please support a great cause and get your tickets. Please check out the posts, check out the posters, and ci vediamo presto, ci vediamo alla festa. Salutiamo!